Hello, model railroad fans. Well, I've got my coal mine mostly done. I haven't glued it all together. In fact, these roof pieces aren't glued on because I want to frost those windows. Get some of that frost paint and frost the windows. I have some ladders and small stuff to put on yet. I think I got these roofs a little dark. I might redo that. That one I didn't get enough dark on, but that's kind of the way it works for me. The conveyor comes in from the back, which I have almost no room back here. So what I thought I would do is use some of that little foam I have and build this up here, build it up on the other side, and then I don't know if I could get a background scene in there or not. Or anyway, I'm not worrying about scenery this year. It's going to have 2 tracks coming into it. I don't think I'll use that third one. I'm undecided on that because there's quite a curve here getting the second one in. But that third one might come in okay from here. I got the switch in place if I want to do that. I probably will never have 3 trains loading at the same time. I'm waiting for some curved turnouts over here so I could tie this second track in. And then I'll put a turnout here to go under here to get to the, I guess that's an ash dump or something. I don't know the exact term without looking at the instructions, but yeah, it's the first model I built this year, and I'll show you some construction pictures last, but I'm going to load some coal here on the next part of this video.